At $1,200 an ounce, the price of gold has been relatively stable over the last 18 months or so. But that's a level that many market watchers think is undervalued. One of those is Simon Poppel, MD at Brookville Capital. Simon, why do you expect more from gold?
Well, just looking at the fundamentals, this year is forecast to be peak supply. And moving forward, supply is forecast to decrease quite significantly over the next few years. So that's one side of the equation.
The other side, of course, is demand, because there's been no let-up there, has there, from central banks and government? Who's buying it?
Well, a lot of people, in short, but mainly the Chinese have been huge buyers. The Russians, central bank is buying. Global central banks are buying. They've gone from net sellers to aggressive buyers of gold. So there's some very powerful hands buying physical gold at the moment.
How should investors play it then?
Well, I think that they want to look at miners that are already producing gold, because explorers, or many explorers, are really struggling to raise capital to build mines. So looking for producers, ideally those in safe jurisdictions, perhaps looking at Australia, Canada and obviously Mexico for silver, is a good way of approaching the opportunity.
And any particular companies that are tickling your fancy, that are doing things the way you think is exciting?
Well, two that I like and invest in are Agnico Eagle, which is one of the larger players with a very diversified asset base, producing gold and silver. And the other is Doré Minerals, which is a high-grade producer in Australia. So those are my sort of own personal sort of favourites. But obviously there's thousands of companies out there. But I think if you follow the mantra of looking for those who are producing in safe jurisdictions, then that's a good way of sort of putting your toe in the water.
So gold, not the barbarous relic that John Maynard Keynes said the gold standard was?
It would appear that's not the case, but no one really knows when the price is going to move.
Simon Poppel, thanks very much.
Thank you.